It is currently 78 degrees outside. I repeat, it is 78 degrees outside in Chicago. Today is March 28th, and it is 78 degrees. But I encourage everyone to not fall for the okie doke. Don't do it. Don't put on your shorts yet. Wait it out. Wait it out, because we all know how this weather can play games, okay? Hey. Why I say it like that, y'all? What's up, y'all? What is going on? You see your girl is fly on a Friday. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Octavia.Darling. If you're new here, I create content related to my locks and lifestyle, but this is a video diary series where I post daily with no strategy, just vibes. So if you like that type of content, then go ahead, give your girl a like, comment, subscribe, and while you're at it, you might as well turn on post notifications so that you don't miss a video. Y'all, we are up and at 'em. It is currently 10:50 a.m.
to the Baddie Mindset podcast.
Hold on, y'all.
If you love what you heard.
It's currently 10:50 a.m. I woke up this morning around 6:15-ish a.m. Got up, did my morning routine, sat at the desk, and edited 2 videos. I edited yesterday's video diary, and I also edited the tutorial. Oh my God, yeah, the tutorial, y'all. Okay, so I forgot where we left off yesterday was I was preparing to film the tutorial, but I did a lock pedal bob. Oh, I absolutely love it. So I filmed that tutorial. That tutorial is going to go live on my channel on Monday at 5:55 p.m. So if you want to see how I accomplished this lock style, make sure that you check it out. But right now, we're about to start our day as far as running errands. The first thing on our list is I want to clean my car. So we're going to, oh, you know what? I just thought about it. It rained and it stormed heavy this morning. So it's supposed to rain this weekend. I wanted to get my car detailed. Let me check the weather. Yeah, like the weather is not giving this weekend, so I don't think it really makes sense for me to wash it, but I do want to clean the inside of it. So I'm going to find a car wash that I can go to where I can just vacuum and like clean the inside. And then after that, we are going to go look for 2 different looks for this weekend. Not necessarily for tomorrow, but definitely for the event on Sunday. And then we're going to do a little bit of grocery shopping, nothing too major. And then I'm going to come back and I'm doing some online shopping because today I am starting to look for my outfits for St. Thomas Carnival. So that's what's on our agenda. Let's get to it. y'all, I completely forgot to bring y'all with me as I was vlogging. Well, not vlogging, but as I was shopping. I forgot to bring y'all along. But I was on a mission anyways, and I did end up finding what I wanted. I shouldn't even say what I wanted, but I was led to exactly what I needed to get. So I'm happy with my finds, and now we're just about to go do a little bit of grocery shopping, and I might get some food today. I'm not sure if I'm in the mood to cook, but we'll see after I grab what I'm going to grab from the grocery store. It is currently 78 degrees outside. I repeat, it is 78 degrees outside in Chicago. Today is March 28th, and it is 78 degrees. But I encourage everyone to not fall for the okie doke. Don't do it. Don't put on your shorts yet. Wait it out. Wait it out, because we all know how this weather can play games, okay? I went to this new grocery store I've never been to before. I think it was called Heinman's or something like that. It's like a combination of Whole Foods and Fresh Time. It's pretty cool. I didn't see none of us up in there, but it's pretty cool. I ended up just getting just like 3 bottles of kombucha. I got a cranberry, pineapple, and a new flavor I've never tried, which is the blood orange. And I got this natural juice, like a local juice. It's black grape and apple, so that sounds really delicious. I just left Whole Foods. I picked up a few things, nothing major, literally something just to cook for dinner when I get hungry later. But I decided to hold off on like a major grocery shopping haul because I'm gonna be outside this weekend, and I'm gonna be eating out tomorrow. I even have a lunch date with my student and Vavi, and I have my photo shooting, and Sunday is Vavi's event, so I'll probably get food again while I'm out. So it's like, it doesn't really make sense to do like a huge grocery haul right now, just to pick up a few things. And if anything, I'll hold off till next week. But I just pulled up to Old Faithful, Cava. I'm about to get some lunch, and then we're gonna head to the crib. Oh my gosh, y'all, the weather is so freaking beautiful outside. I was just in the house chilling after I had eaten my lunch, and I've been chilling for some hours. It's 6:24 right now. I got back to the house like what, 2 something, 3 I think. Nevertheless, the weather is just so freaking beautiful, and I just feel led to be outside. I mean, this is the type of weather I thrive in. So I'm about to head over to a park. Why my face looks so ugly? I'm about to head over to this park, let the windows down. I have my journal with me. I'm just gonna write and just release and just allow creativity to flow through me. Any ideas that come to mind, all of those type of things. But just to feel that warm breeze, oh my gosh, beautiful. So let me vibe out to one of my favorite mixes from the baddest DJ in the Virgin Islands. I'm about to listen to a little soca and really, really, really set the vibes. This park is so packed. Oh my god. I have never been to this park and haven't been able to find parking. Like, come on. I know that's right, y'all. This weather makes me want to go plant some seeds in the garden. It makes me want to walk outside barefoot. It makes me want to sit on a porch with a nice cold beverage and feel that cool breeze just hit my face. Because if it's one thing about me, I love a cool breeze. I love a cool breeze. Oh, thank you, God. Cool breeze just came in on cue. I love a cool breeze, y'all. No, but for real, this weather is what I longed for, because I told a few people this during the winter, but I come alive in the springtime. This is where I'll be for the rest of the evening, y'all. Right here. Vibing. Alright, y'all. So, I'm about to enjoy the rest of my evening. Vibe out with God. So, I will check y'all tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be a fun, eventful day. I would give you a heads up with what we're doing, but I'd rather just say stay tuned and make sure that your post notifications are turned on so you don't miss the video. But tomorrow and Sunday is going to be a lit day. So I'll check y'all later. Bye.